So basically, if we talk about model fix-up, so actually we were facing some of the problem in our models. First of all, when we are using the type completion, for example, in our model, if I show, suppose if there is this class with C primitive data type long. So since this C primitive data type package is not imported in this model, and if we do a control space, if I write long and try to do a control space and try to do a control space, then it does not come, just because we don't have this C++ primitive type package introduced in this particular package import. So we have introduced fixup that will try to add this CPP primitive type package import in this package. We have also seen that in certain models, the CPP primitive data type is missing. That is what I've discussed right now. So that will add the CPP primitive type package to our model. Secondly, if I go to my third slide, we have also worked on this few fixups that will remove the package imports for C++ type. We have also worked on since we are removing C++ type package import, we have also considered the profile removal of C++ transformation as well. So we'll consider that. We have also made changes in the installation where we have made C support optional. So when we are trying to install our latest product version, the user has a choice to choose this RSIT support for C. So we have introduced this as a part of user flexibility. So going to our fixup wizard, model fixup. So we see we have introduced this obsolete package import removal fixup, obsolete profile application removal fixup, and add missing package import fixup. So I'll start running this fixup in a sequence order. We have also done some changes in this incorrect type reference fixup. We have done some improvements so that the C++ type package import, which is currently missing now, will be converted to C++ primitive data type. So I'll just show a few things in our model. So starting with this by CPP type. So we see there are quite a few attributes whose type is CPP type. For that, we are getting this problem marker. So we have done improvement in this type reference fixup that will simply convert our C++ type package imports to CPP primitive data type. So model fixup, open model fixup. So I start with incorrect type reference fixup now, update, next. So I select my model for which I want. So as you see, there are the model fixups which has been printed in the console. So for all these data types in the attributes, if I go to this by CPP type and I go inside this capsule and I open one of the attribute and I just go to the open type. So it will simply point to the CPP primitive data type. So I open this. Type. Similarly, we have done for unsigned. So initially it was unsigned. Now unsigned gets converted to unsigned int. So this type reference fixup also converts unsigned to unsigned int. Next, we'll move on to the next fixup, which is the package import fixup. So if I see one of this model by CPP type nested. So in this by CPP type nested, we have the C++ type package import. So this has been removed from our installation. So the CPP C++ type package import should also be removed. For this nested package, we have also done this fixup. So by CPP type child has C primitive data type package import. So we have done optional. So we have also considered the optional fixup for C primitive data types. So if I go to model fixup, open model fixup wizard, obsolete package import removal, update. So we have the optional choice to save or unsave the model when we do a fixup. So I do a next. Here also we have the choice whether we can choose to remove C primitive data type. So currently I'll make the choice as yes. Next, buy, and finish. So once I do that, it shows all the package imports that are incorrect, and it also removes that from our model and saves the model. That's what is printed in our console right now. So I'll show you the model. So if I go to this nested one, nested by CPP type nested, you see that the C++ type package import has been removed from the parent one, and from the child, the C primitive data type package import has been removed. So this is the fixup that works for missing package import. Next, I'll show profile import as well. Let's consider another package. So if I consider this package by CPP types and profiles, so we see this CPP transformation profile application, which is actually in unresolved state. That means it is not applicable for our model right now because it has already been removed. So let's go to the model fixup for this. So just okay, model fixup, open model fixup wizard. We have this obsolete profile application removal. So we select this. So for application profile application removal also, we have the choice to optionally remove C property sets. So I'll just select this. I do a next. I CPP type finish. So as you see that the console prints, I've done analyze. So actually it shows all the profiles that are not required for this model right now. So it gives the entire list of profiles. So similarly for this also I can do updating of the model. So I do obsolete profile application, update, save, and do a next, remove, next, and then finish. So it simply updates the model and removes those profiles from our model. So if I come here, I go to CPP by CPP types, I go to profile. So you see this C++ transformation profile application has been removed. Initially, I started with the package for which this C++ primitive data type package import was missing. So we have also introduced one more fixup that will actually add this C++ primitive type package import. So I do a add, update, save, next, buy, finish. So when I do this and I check my model, this add CPP primitive type package. So inside this, we see that CPP primitive data type package import has been already added once this model is saved.